This is where it began. That much the world is reasonably sure of. The Huanan seafood wet market in Wuhan, ground zero of coronavirus pandemic. But who was the first human to be infected? Well, it turns out the world may finally know who patient zero is. With over 31,000 deaths and counting, and the number of cases steadily marching towards 1 million, the numbers are mind-numbing. But finally, it's down to one, and it's here in this Chinese seafood market. Reports suggest that patient zero has been identified as Wei Guixian, who is a 57-year-old seller of shrimp at the Huanan seafood market in Wuhan. As epidemiologists do a deep dive into how things exploded from patient zero, first let's walk you through what's known of the shrimp seller's deadly timeline. After catching what she thought was a cold on December 10 last year, patient zero visited a clinic believing she had a common flu. With symptoms worsening, she visited the Wuhan Union Hospital on December 16, where she was diagnosed. However, she was only quarantined at the end of the month. Thankfully, after a month-long treatment, she recovered in January. The Wuhan woman believes she may have been infected after sharing toilets at the seafood market with meat sellers. While she is being regarded as patient zero, there is no conclusive evidence that she may have been the first to be infected. The first case was detected in the beginning of December. Wei Guixian was among the first 27 patients to test positive for COVID-19 and one of the 24 from Huanan market. Probably most significantly, patient zero has a damning comment to make on the country's rulers in Beijing. She believes if the government had acted sooner, there would have been fewer deaths. Bureau Report, India Today.